In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bifold brochure on Canva. We'll walk through this together from the very beginning, so even if you're completely new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and end up with a clean, professional-looking brochure that you can download, print, or share online. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. This is usually at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Canva lets you choose what kind of project you want to work on, like a poster, a presentation, or in our case, a brochure. Once the design search box opens, start typing the word brochure into the search bar. As you type, Canva will suggest different brochure formats. Typing it in is important because it makes sure the size and layout are set correctly for print, instead of starting from a completely blank custom canvas. From the list of options that appears, look for Bifold Brochure. A bifold brochure is the classic style that folds once in the middle, giving you 4 panels: a front, a back, and 2 inside pages. Click on Bifold Brochure, and Canva will open up a new design tab with the correct dimensions already prepared for you. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different options such as elements, uploads, and text. What you want to focus on now is templates. Click on the Templates tab. This is where Canva gives you ready-made layouts that you can customize, which saves you a lot of time compared to designing everything from scratch. Once you're inside the Templates section, you can scroll through and look for a style that matches the purpose of your brochure, whether it's for a business, an event, a product, or a personal project. When you find one you like, click on it, and it will automatically apply to your bifold brochure pages. From there, you can swap out the text, change colors, and replace images to match your brand or topic. And that's the basic process. Create a design, search for brochure, choose bifold brochure, and then select a template to start customizing.